Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video I'm going to be installing some clippings that I was sent by Wigsbuy.com. I've actually filmed this video before, but the video quality came out really bad, so I decided to redo it again. They sent me 14 inches of their kinky curly hair in 2 bundles. So what I did was I washed the hair and I applied this. I don't know if you guys can see it. I applied this conditioner on it, and then I used my Derma brush to change the curls of this hair so it matches with my hair. The only difference is that the hair color is 1B and my natural hair is color 1. So I twisted this hair yesterday, so I'm just going to take out the twist.
Dance floor, you know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, boom on it. Be my flow. Oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay. Be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Baby me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada.
Start cheesy. Fresh boy wait up easy. I got the cat that you needing. Plus I got this one that you needing. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable. Baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne. No, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing. Everybody dance, everybody dance. Everybody feel the same. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Killing it again, yeah, you know.
Oh na na na, young brother. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. When you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco. Go loco. Say I don't mind what you do. You'll always be my boo. Yeah. Say I don't mind what they say. We can make it if we try. Yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me. Baby girl, it's me and you tonight, my babe. I will never let you go. Never let you go so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money. Chop money, chop my money. Oh yeah, come and be my honey, my honey. Where you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. Yeah, come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh na moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. Yeah, come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. I'm ready now. Make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Say, you see what I need beat, oh. I'm ready.
Dance floor, you know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh na, oh na.
Baby, dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby, dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh yeah, come on, be my flow. Oh yeah, make you take us slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
So guys, this is the end result. As you can see, the clip-ins blend really well with my natural hair, even though they are not the same color. And the process is really easy. This took me about 20 to 25 minutes to finish up the whole process. I ended up using 1.5 pack. I still have 3 clip-ins left from the second pack. Like I said before, this hair was sent to me by Wigsbuy. I'm going to leave the link to the hair in the description box below. You also have some discount code just in case you're purchasing this hair. So that will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.